Yeah, Vibestees. One more time again in the kitchen. We don't know the show already. Oh, we are cooking. Yeah, we have to use up a thing and idea. And yeah, man, we have to use up the pressure and go on something different from the fry up thing and them something there. So I did. Alright then, we eat some white rice. Just land to you see the steamer going but just land. Yeah, man, I say look good and yes, that is it. But you know, saying in real life, we have mess with some stew peas. A lot of the mats, you know. Yeah, man, all rich coconut milk, the whole thing in it. Watch how I go on the show. It a show, you know. Vibestees, we never change yet. We have a spinners tonight and everything else tonight. Turn up the right way. I tell me what look now, man. Because I don't know now if you tell me that. Yeah, man. I got left him to go and simmer some more too. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Rich. We have some beef up in him too, man. Let's check him out good, man. The stew peas now going normal. The thing turn up, me say, I mean, so that. Vibestees in the kitchen. They don't know the thing go. Some people don't like when the dumpling big in them stew peas, but I kinda like it still, you know. That's why I put a couple of them every night, you know, though. Alright then. You see me I say, so I let that pot here. I make that pot here go on. Do it, I do, you get me I say? Yes, man. That. Vibestees in the kitchen. And a real good food we did, yes, man. Bam.